Wednesday evening, the day before Labor Day, and we're heading by our overnight train back to Yulin, where we're gonna have our wedding ceremony in October, and we have to get some things done, you know, check out the location, all this stuff. But it's mental, it's crazy. So we're having a hard sleeper bed. It's like a bunk bed, just 3 at the wall in the train. So I'm gonna show you later how it goes and how it is live on the train here in China. The first difference here in China is that train tickets are sold out so fast, even on the internet, everywhere. It's crazy. Within a minute, you know, you can't get a ticket anymore, so it's pretty tough. And then the second difference is that you are not allowed actually to enter the platform until they let you in with your train ticket. So it's not like in Germany, you just simply can go on any platform you want or where your train is departing. Here in China, they let you in like 10-15 minutes before. And for the reason that the train tickets are sold out so fast always, they also personalize the ticket, so actually your name is written on it, and you have to show them always your ID as well, that you can get the tickets. Because otherwise people would simply buy tickets for the whole train and they would sell it like 50 kwai more expensive a ticket and make money like this. Up there is the bed where I'm gonna stay. Maggie's on the right. You see 3 levels, you know. You can sit in the corridor. And now we're going to the restaurant car. See what's there, sorry, to eat. Here you have the smoking area on the train. Actually, this is kind of second class, these beds here, because there's, I would say, a third class where you just have uncomfortable seats, and first class is kind of soft sleeper, where the bed is more soft, and we only have 4 beds in one compartment. And I guess it's with air conditioning as well, what you do not have here, right? Yeah, and we are at car 15, and the restaurant cars. Number 9. Oh yeah, toilet of course, spot toilet. Actually, even here with these beds, you see the lowest one is the most expensive one, because you have the space and you have a table between the beds. But yeah, you can imagine why I prefer to stay on top, because my feet or legs are definitely showing out of there, and if it's the middle one or the lower one and people passing by, they would always bump into me, which isn't that nice. here we are on the cars with the soft beds. Check this out. Much better. Only 4 people, you can close the door. And here we at the car number, what I said earlier, 6 or 9, I'm not quite sure anymore. Anyway, we're here. Wow, it looks crowded. Well, if there's nothing to eat, there's always beer. It's not warm, but it's also not cold. It's 8 quiet, it's okay. Okay, it is warm, but what choice do I have, right? So it's actually the second time for me to take a long distance train, but these seats here, they look much better than in the other class we took last time back in 2012 to go to Fenghuang. Christ, the child here, the toilet beside the smoking area. I'm not going any further. You see, I even can't walk straight here because of the tray for the luggage. Whoa, that's my beer. It's 6 in the morning and we finally arrived here in Yulin. Awesome. And in 2 nights we are taking the train back to Shenzhen, this time directly. And yeah, hope I'm gonna get some more footage for you guys. Until then, back to the train station. What we have here. And the boarding to Shenzhen East starts. Shenzhen East is actually a new station in Buchi. Just opened half a year ago or something like that. Finally settled down. Yeah, I brought my laptop because 12-13 hours on the train. I have a bit of time to do some videos which I can upload tomorrow morning when I come home. All good. And here finally comes the food cart. I guess this guy is selling fruits. This final appearance of the food cart, I'm gonna say it's actually finished our breakfast here in front of the train station. Now we're going to pick up our tickets for the train back home tonight. waiting area.